Okay, so for the first video, I guess let's start off with something pretty simple but still kind of cool. Don't remember the particular site for this, but I do remember the easiest way to find it. This is called the Shockwave 4-way 3D, and just click the first link it comes to. Click to download it. I'm going to throw it in my transfer drive so I can use it on either operating system. Okay, so now that it's finally stopped downloading, we'll just open the exe, the executable, whatever. Wow, definitely not English, but okay. I agree. Next. Not telling you to agree to anything that you don't read, and since that was in English, it's probably not the smartest idea, but it's an awesome program. I love it. Alright, I already have this program, so I'm going to have to replace just about everything. Just try no more query on that, so it won't ask me anymore. Alright, so now the install is done. You just tell it to run the application. And you get this nice little shiny button down here at the bottom right. Now we're going to start off by right clicking on it, pulling up the little sub menu, see all the little cool things you can do. Now what you might want to play with later on is the options, just because that's fun to play with. But just to show off this program a little bit, we're going to do Control tilde, and you get a little bit of a cube action going on of 4 separate desktops. Now personally, I don't like just the plain cube, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to change this to wave cube, just because it looks cool, with no animation in the background. Alright, so now let's pull it up. Okay, now each of these just looks like a picture until you actually go to it, and then from then on it'll look like a actual desktop. But just to show that these are actually separate virtual desktops, they're not technically a separate desktop. Like if you just pull up Task Manager, it'll show all the same programs, but if you go to each one individually, you can open up random little programs, and it will only be open on that window that you opened it in. So we go to our original window, and here's Chrome. Go to the next window, and we'll pull up Windows Media Player, and then we have Notepad on the third one, and Calculator on the fourth one. So we have 4 separate desktops, and you can completely customize this little cube, throw pictures in the background, change the size of it, change the speed of the waves so it doesn't look like it's lagging. It's not actually lagging, that's just how slow that it goes. But this is just a cool little tweak you can do to your graphics that figured a couple people might like. Shoot me an email at unilaterus@gmail.com if you want to suggest something for another episode. This is John signing out.